Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Jjajang Ramen. First, gather your ingredients. 1 packet of instant ramen, 2 tablespoons of Jjajang, and about 4 ounces of pork belly. You'll also need 1 small onion, a 1/4 cup of cabbage, and a 1/4 cup of zucchini, all diced. Finally, prepare a cornstarch slurry with 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 2 teaspoons of water. Next, let's create that rich Jjajang sauce. In a pan, stir-fry your diced pork belly over medium heat until it's beautifully crispy and golden brown. Remove excess fat, leaving about 1 tablespoon. Add your diced onions, cabbage, and zucchini, cooking for 3 minutes until softened. Stir in 2 tablespoons of Jjajang, cooking for another minute until fragrant. Deglaze the pan with a 1/2 cup of water or broth. Now, let's bring it all together. Cook your instant ramen noodles in a separate pot of boiling water, following the package instructions, usually for about 3 minutes. Drain the noodles well and add them directly into your pan with the simmering Jjajang sauce. Stir everything thoroughly to ensure the noodles are fully coated. Finally, pour in your cornstarch slurry, stirring constantly until the sauce thickens to your desired consistency. Your homemade Jjajang ramen is now ready to enjoy. Transfer it to a bowl and garnish with some fresh cucumber slices for a refreshing crunch. For an extra touch, you can also add a fried egg on top. Serve it immediately to savor the rich, savory flavors and perfect noodle texture. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.